Welcome to the Hi Fi Mechanics LP12 tips. Tip 18 of 25. Dealing with static. Static in some homes can be shocking.
An interesting example of static was, I recall one of our customers had an issue with the Riga Planer 3. When the record had finished, he'd stand up and then walk across the room to change records. But as he approached the deck, the arm suddenly lifted off the surface of the record. And as he'd get closer to the deck, the arm would rise higher and higher until eventually it would touch the top of the lid. A static bang would crack, and then the styles would then fall onto the record. And we took a little look at his environment and quickly realised that he had a nylon carpet, and most of the clothes he was wearing was nylon as well. So as in fact he was walking towards the deck, he was charging himself up, and this was obviously affecting what happened to the deck. So we advised him to change his some of his clothes to natural fibres such as wool and cotton, and that indeed then solved this particular problem. But it's an interesting example of how static can affect equipment.
If you would like to know if it's static causing these pops and crackles on your record, just replay the same section of record again. If the pops and crackles happen at the same place at the same time, it can't be static.
Often, the main causes within a room are man-made materials such as nylon. For example, a nylon carpet will generate static as you walk along it. Many factors may affect the amount of static in your home. Furnishings will play a part. So too will geographical location, such as high altitude combined with a dry atmosphere. While the stylus is tracking the groove, it too may increase the static charge. To reduce the static, you have many options. Use an anti-static gun, a carbon fibre brush, anti-static record sleeves. Just remember to clean your record before putting it into a new sleeve. An anti-static mat will also help. A small bowl of water near the deck may add a little moisture to the atmosphere. I'm slowly squeezing the trigger for a duration of about 3 to 4 seconds. This emits a stream of invisible positive ions. As I release the trigger, this sends out a stream of negative ions that then cancel out the static. If you hear a clicking sound, you're probably going too fast. By the way, this is the only way to use the gun. Putting it on the deck or a flat surface just isn't as effective. The carbon fibre brush is primarily a cleaner, but may help reduce static too. A common problem is the brush will leave a line of dirt across the face of the record. This is easily eliminated by not lifting off the brush, but drawing the brush towards you until all the brush has left the record.